Let's have some Cynful fried chicken tenders. Start out by adding buttermilk to a dish. If you're going low carb, you can use the Greek yogurt, the unflavored. Add the chicken to the buttermilk and let it soak for about 2 to 3 hours. While that's soaking, we're going to make our drain pan with some paper towels and a rack. And then we're going to go ahead and make our dredges. The first one being the oat fiber. You can use flour if you want to. A little bit of salt and pepper. The third one being the whey protein powder. Again, you can use flour for this. And the seasonings from the third dredge. We're going to get all the seasonings in. We're going to mix it up with a whisk. And move on to our second dredge, which is 2 large eggs, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and some salt and pepper. Mix all that up. Add a little bit of milk to it. And whisk again. So we have 1 our dredge, 2 our dredge, and 3 our dredge. 1, 2, and 3. We have a dry hand and a wet hand. On the dry hand, we're going to use our utensils. On our wet hand, we're going to work with the chicken. So it goes in the first dredge and then into the second. Then drain it and put it into the third. And once you got it coated, shake it off. So we have our oil to what we need it. We need it between 325 and 350. Do realize that every time you add chicken to it, you're going to lower the temperature, which is why we're doing small batch. That's why the thermometer's there, to keep track of it. So try to keep it between that 325 to 350 temperature. When it gets brown on one side, flip it over and do the other one. Once both sides are brown, we're going to put it on our rack, and as we get all the chicken done, we're going to take our drain rack and we're going to put it in the oven at a 250 degree oven for about 7 to 10 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. There you go, Cynful chicken tenders. Here's your recipe. I want to thank you guys so much for watching today, and please like and subscribe. Y'all have a wonderful day.